Hey, Jack. Where's the elephant? There he is. Who else is in that book?
Doggy.
A doggy? What does the doggy say?
Doggy. Doggy.
Oh, there's your doggy.
Dada.
You missed one that you knew. You don't want to do this anymore? What's that?
Fish.
Yeah. What's this one?
Dada.
Oh, that's a butterfly? What's this?
Dada.
Goat? Lion.
Dada.
Zebra? Where's the horse?
Yeah.
Here he is. Where's the frog? Yeah. Where's the chicken? What does the chicken say? Book, 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 book. What about this one? Is that the pig? What does the pig say? Yeah.
Dada.
Are you watching TV? The baby channel? One more. This is the new one you learned. What's this one, Jack? Sheep? What does the sheep say? Yeah.